It's over now, it's overnight. Giving through your eyes, too late in life. And if you don't know by now, I can't go back to living someone else not anymore. But now I decide to do things my way. But now I'm gonna take the darling. I'm not afraid to try. It all on my own. I don't care if I'm right or wrong. I live my life the way I feel. No matter what, I'll keep it real, you know. It's hard for me to do it all. But soon again, go back to what I'm running things in my way. Stop me.